you already finished this install, so I have opened that, and within this working in Archi is on the user guide is page 8. There's some parts is we can mention that quickly. Is first is the window. This main editing area is this gray area for a view, and in the central right portion. Windows and the tabs can be dragged and dropped to be rearranged. So this is you already know that is the default layout. But like is if I drag this visualizer, so you hold your mouse and start to drag. So you can see if you drag on the horizontal, it can be placed as the horizontal. Move a little left, it can be the vertical. If you drag that to another box, or window area, it will be split in that area. So that is the way you can adjust based on your preference. So if I want to put that here, then visualizer is just horizontally is above these numbers of the text. You can also put that is to be on the right. So then that will be like this way. You can close that. So layout mask is you can reset. So we already mentioned that reset. So when we reset is everything is back to the default. Those default including is some plugin installed. And you can also reset Archi to its default setting from reset Archi to default under help. So here is one. So that have three parts: the choose between reset just the user interface or reset full, or is you can cancel. So those are the two parts on the Windows tab. So I don't use that too often, so because I will try to manually adjust those when you use that the clear quickly. So undo redo is comments is a contextual per model. So full your undo redo command are available. So that is here undo redo, because I have nothing played, so there's not having this undo. So that are contextual depending on the selected model. In the model tree, click onto a view on the model tree will enable the command if an action has been performed. So let's just quick test that is click this, which we will use from next chapter. Is but if you do that, you create a model. So let me say I rename the default one to model 1. So I can undo. So you can see I undo, then that will change this. Now I make the second one. So that is the model 2. So if I do the undo, that is this model 2. When I switch back to undo the first one, so you can see this undo is back to the history Archi remembered on this first model. It's not undo this second model. So that is the very important things, because sometimes you may work on multiple model at the same time. Is ensure you know is that if you haven't need redo undo, so you first need to select your real working model, then this place this one, then you can know this redo undo parts. But it's not like the normal office is office. If you hold this the your this my mouse is it should be pop up some the this hint, and then this now you may know is my latest action is rename model 2. Now it's back to model 1 is rename this my view. So now if I come to model 2, so you may understand that is on the model 2's first action. When I switch to the model 1, is will be this second action. So that is the way is you can see from here, but it at least is give you some hint. Is here is undo rename default view. If I switch to here, you see it's undo rename new model. So that is the contextual, the per model's meaning. Cheat sheet is on the help. You get this item. So that have a two cheat sheet is I haven't used that before. So and you can also, if somebody is provide our cheat sheet or is by file or publish that in URL, is you can also select that. The Archi is by shipping itself is have a two cheat sheet. This cheat sheet has some steps and give you some quick guide. Is and it will also monitor is if you see is introduction, I'm okay. So for new model, then when you click that is click to restart. Then this first step will be checked. Then you go to the second step. Oh, let's open the model tree. So when you say this, I already have the model tree open. This then let's click this new model. Then you will get click this. Then I see is I finish that, and I will get element to here, and click this. Then you will finish this cheat sheet. So when you next time is open that is you may see here this cheat sheet has some memory. So they remember is you have already done the cheat sheet. So they will not put this the running is again for you. But if you want to see is I want follow this tutorial again, so restart, then everything is cleared. That is similar to the second cheat sheet is for create our map view. So that is open my model tree, create a map view, and then done. So that is very simple. So I hope is yeah, if you want, you can play around that. Finally, is last but not least is getting help. Is you can click help. Help is there's something you can search, you can help content, you can have also the welcome window, create a new. These are these go straight to the application. So you can see that is go to this map sheet views cheat sheet, and you can also show active key bindings from here. Then also donate, check, update, manage plugin, open this user data folder. So that is I mentioned when we install that is this is your data folder after 5.x is that is under your documents in Windows, and reset and the relationship that is a huge list. I may mention that later when we come to the relations. So on view, that is for 100% follow the Archimate specification and about. So with that as a hope is you know the overall user interface, and from next chapter is we will move to create a new Archimate model. See you then. Bye for now.